Welcome back to the Nomads Notes help videos. In this video we're going to explore the new feature of campsite facilities. So when we add a new campsite, you'll see there's a whole list of new facilities that you can record for your campsite. But that list is quite long, and so first of all you might want to go to Show Hide Your Active Facilities. You can use this link, or you can just go directly to the My Categories page, and it will show you all the facilities that are available to record, and you can turn them on or off depending on what interests you in your campsite. For example, there's 5 different power ranges here. If you live in Australia, you might want to only record 10 and 15 amp because that's all that's available, but you don't have to record those if you're not interested in what sort of power. If you live in the US, you might want to only record the 30, 50 and 20 amp power because that's all that's available in the US. But again, you don't have to. You can still just have the power one, which is down here in alphabetical order, turned on. You don't have to have each individual one turned on. It's up to you. So you just turn on and off which ones are interested to you, and get your list as short or as long as you're interested in. And I'm just going to lighten my list here a bit and make it just a little bit shorter, but it's up to you how long you have your list. Once you've got that sorted, you can go back to My Campsites. You can come back to this list anytime and change it to what shows and what doesn't show. So now when we add a new campsite, our list is a little shorter, and we can just flick through whichever ones this particular campsite has when we save our campsite. So if we now go to look at one of the campsites and we scroll down, this particular campsite, we scroll down to the facilities, and you can see which ones the facilities that this campsite has and doesn't have. If you want to edit those, you can come up to the edit button, and again, if you want to change your list of how short or long it is, you can show or hide active facilities. But again, here you can then just edit this one and we can update our campsite. So if you've got a lot of campsites in your database already, you can go and edit those and add those facilities if you wish. The other new feature now with these facilities is you can search by a facility. So we're going to search by whether it allows big rigs and whether there is swimming available. If a campsite has both of those, you can see now our list comes down to 4 have both big rigs or swimming, and those 4 show up on our map here. We can scroll in or out, and we can click on that one and it shows the details, and we can see that this one does have big rigs and swimming. If we come back to our search, we can remove that filter and our list comes back to our full list. So we can search now by region, town, campsite name, campsite type, which were there before, and now we've just got 2 new ones, 2 facilities we can search by as well. And that's just a quick rundown on the new feature of campsite facilities.